Hello students, good morning to everyone. Today we are discussing the class 12 biology practical, and practical is to isolate DNA from available plants material. So we have to take some plant material and we have to isolate the DNA. This is the very easy experiment which we have to perform in the laboratory, and this experiment is kept as a major experiment in class 12 biology for the board practical examination. So we have to discuss about this experiment, children. Our experiment, aim of the experiment as it is mentioned, to isolate DNA from available plant material. And for this experiment we require the many things to perform the experiment, because we have to isolate the DNA. So the students, for this DNA isolation, what we require? We require the plant material. Plant material such as spinach leaves, green pea, banana, or any material you are getting from the plant can be used to isolate the DNA. So materials which are required, either spinach leaves or green pea or banana, and we have taken banana as a plant material today for isolation of the DNA. Except this, we require mortar and pestle for grinding this plant material. Plant material are grinds in the mortar and pestle, but banana like material can be crushed in the polythene bags also. We can crush it in the polythene bag also. Then beaker we require, and enzymes. For the enzymes we have to extract some juices from the fruit juice. So here we will use the fruit juice for the enzyme. Fruit juice like juice of the orange, juice of the lemon, juice of the apple. So all these type of juices are used to get the enzyme, and this enzyme, cellulase, proteases, ribonucleases, lipases are required. So enzymes is the basic requirement for the isolation of DNA. And ethanol, ethyl alcohol is very important requirement for the experiment. So thus in experiment our requirement are plant material like spinach leaf or banana, mortar and pestle, beaker, enzymes like this, like cellulase enzyme, protease enzyme, ribonuclease enzyme, lipases enzyme, and all these enzymes we are getting from the fruit juice. Students, in market like the Jandu Pancharis like the syrups are also available, and that syrup can be used as a enzyme. So these substances are all present there in the so that we can use for the purpose of experiment. Now how to do, that is procedure. So that's we have to discuss now procedure, how to isolate DNA from the available plant material. So as students, as I have informed to you about the requirement, everyone is knowing the banana, ripe banana can be used, ripe banana, orange, and this orange is used to isolate the orange juice. So this juice will be used as the enzyme. Then we are having, as I have told, enzyme solution. So we are having the Jandu Pancharis, which having the all such enzymes are used for the extraction of DNA. Then we are having the mortar and pestle. This one is the mortar and pestle. It is the chilled alcohol. Then test tube. We are having the sets of the test tubes. Then we have this is the funnel and beaker. Except this, we are having the water in the beaker, and we have the some amount of the salt as well as the detergent or soap can be used for easily isolation of the DNA. And this is the spatula. So all these are the required. What is now for procedure? So we have to discuss now procedure. You take the first one thing, orange. This type of orange we have to take, and this orange we have to take out the juice of the orange. So already we have taken this one, juice of the orange we have to take. So first one, take the orange and then this orange juice. So we have collected the fruits as the orange and this orange juice we have isolated primarily. Second important part is we have to take the one onion, and this onion, banana, not onion. So you have to take the one banana, peel out, remove the peel, and now either in the polythene bag we have to crush it, or we have to take the pistol and grinder and we have to crush this one banana in the pistol and grinder. And after the crushing of the banana, once the banana is crushed here, we have to mix some amount of the detergent. This detergent or soap can be used. Small amount of the salt can be used here, salt, and this we have to grind up together for 5 to 10 minutes. And after the 5 to 10 minutes, then we will get the solution. We have to make the little bit amount of the water also here, and once we have mixed up this one completely, then you have to take this cotton cloth, and this cotton cloth put on this is the funnel, so we have to put this one on the funnel. Then this filter the grind part. So once the grinding is done properly, then we have to filter the grind part or juice of this one we have to filter. So once we are getting the juice, and this filter juice can be collected in the beaker. So once we are getting the filter juice in the beaker, we have collected this one juice in the beaker. Then we have to take the little bit 1 or 2 this test tube. It is not the boiling test tube, so you can use the boiling test tube also, or you can use the small test tube also. So I am taking the boiling test tube. So this is the juice I have collected in the tube. Small test tube also I am taking the little bit amount of this is the extract which we have obtained from the banana. So this is the plant material we have taken in the book. Then we have to mix the juice, fruit juice, whatever fruit juice you have collected. So you should mix the fruit juice in both test tubes. This is. So once we have mixed the fruit juice, so this is the only orange juice. We have to mix these enzymes also. From the Gentu Pancharit syrup, we have taken some chemical, and this is also the fruit juice. It contains the number of enzymes, so that gives the better result to us. It will give the better result to us, and little bit we have to set, we have to mix the solution. And after mixing the fruit juice along with the banana juice, okay, so after some time we have to keep it for the 2 to 5 minutes to complete digestion of the substances, to complete digestion of the cell, because the cell wall like of component will be digested by the action of enzyme. So proteins, carbohydrate, RNA, all these will be cellulose digest the carbohydrate, proteases will digest the protein, ribonucleases will digest the RNA, lipid is digested by the lipases, and thus at the end what we are getting, only in the solution RNA is not get digested, DNA will not get digested, because the DNA will be present now in this one. And for the extraction of the DNA, now what to do? We have to take the chilled alcohol. We have to take the chilled alcohol, and this chilled alcohol we have to mix in the test tube. So once we are mixing the chilled alcohol in the test tube, then immediately after some time we will see the DNA, aggregated amount of the DNA will come up. So this we will see that we are observing here white PPT, this white color of precipitation. This white color of precipitation is occurs. When we are pouring the chilled alcohol, then white color of precipitation occurs. And this white color of precipitation is a DNA. It is the DNA, amount of the DNA. Here also we can see this, when we pour the chilled alcohol, so we are getting the white color of DNA. So we have to keep it for the 1 to 5 minute timing. 2 to 5 minute timing. So what we have done? Then let's me repeat the process. We have taken the banana, then we have grind up the banana. While grinding, we have mixed some detergent as well as the salt, and we have grind up and filtered, and this is the filtrate from the banana. Same times we have taken the fruit, onion, this is the orange, and then we have collected the juice of the orange. And then we have the other enzymes also, and these enzymes are taken from the Jen2 Panchalis. Now children, after that what we have done? This banana extraction and the juice we have mixed in the test tube together, and we kept for the 2 to 5 minutes for the digestion. So RNA, protein, lipids, carbohydrates, all they get digested, and white color of precipitation now it is in the test tube also you can see. These are on the upper surface of the test tube. So this type of white color of precipitation. So here also in this test tube also we can see the white color of precipitation is here, and this white color of precipitation is of the DNA. So we can take out this DNA by spoons also very easily. So by spooning we can take out the DNA. So students, after mixing the fruit juice with the banana extraction, and we have kept for the 5 minutes, and in both test tube to see, we are doing in the small test tube also and the big one also, because to get the better result. But we have to do only use the only one test tube only. So first one, after this one mixing, after some time 2 to 5 minutes, now what we are observing, white color of precipitate is present in the test tube, and this white color of precipitate is the DNA. Here also we can see white color of precipitation is there, and this is also DNA, and this easily we can pull up with the spooling. So this DNA can be easily observed under the compound microscope. So this type of experiment we have performed. This is also the amount of DNA which we are isolated or we have extracted from the banana. So thus we have isolated the DNA from the available plant material. In examination you have to write objective, requirement, procedure we have to write, observation. Observation is what? DNA appear as a white precipitate of very fine on the spool. So we have observed that white color of precipitation of DNA. In this experiment we have to draw the diagram also, test tube diagram we have to take and draw, and you have to show the DNA amount also there in the test tube. Then during this experiment we have to take some precautions. Number one, all the glassware used must be thoroughly cleaned and dried. All material which we are using have to be cleaned properly and dried properly. Amount of enzyme must be of the standard quality. So whatever enzymes we are using, that should be of the standard quality, and we have to filter the fruit juice as well as the plant material extraction to get the better result. So it is all about the practical how to isolate DNA from the